We're gonna be doing test 1 in this video, and the first thing we're gonna be doing is creating this network. So let's start with the nodes. Alright, and after that let's add the edges. And let's set the inputs. This on is input, this off is input, the main is input, and this is out, which is output, and this is bias, which is output. Of course, for easy visibility, let's give them names according to the test. On, this is off, this is out, and this is bias. Oh, I'm sorry, BIAS, bias. Alright, after that we can set the if we see here, the default value of delay and wait is 15 and 1. We want the default value of delay to be 1. This becomes 15 because of the empty net that we're using. Its maximum delay value is 15, which becomes the default delay value. So we need to change that. We need to have all the edges delay to be 1. After that, we can see everything becomes 1, I believe. All the delays become 1, yes. And also we want to, this specific edge, we want to change its weight to -1. Okay, and after that I think we are done with this. We can download it. Alright, so it's 1. Alright, we downloaded it. After that let's go back. Let's make some spikes for our network. The first thing we want to do is we want to for the node 1, which is the main node, at time 0, we want to give it a spike. Yes, and after that we want for node 3, which is off node, we want to give a spike at time 15. And for another node, node 2, which is the on node, we want to give it a spike. We want to give it a spike of 1 at the time 20. And after that, for the ID2, which is on node, we want to give it a spike of 1 at time 25. And for the node 3, ID3, which is the off node, we want to give a spike at time 25. After that, we want to run it for 30 time steps. Alright, download the spikes, and I think we're done with that. Now let's go back to home, and after we've made the network and the spikes, we can visualize the output. So we can choose the network file. The network file we built was this, I believe, and the spike files was this. Let's process it. And yes, let's just we don't need all that zip files right now. We just want to see the spikes. So these are the spikes. There are 30 time steps in the spikes. What's happening? Let's see. So the first thing we had done was we had spiked main. We had spiked main at the first time step, and after that, what happened was the main has a self loop, so the main keeps spiking itself, and obviously main spikes out too, and also main spikes bias. And since main keeps spiking itself, out and bias also keep on spiking. And this keeps on happening until at time step 15 we spike off. When we spike off, a weight of -1 goes to main, so the charge in main becomes 0, and main stops spiking. The main stops spiking. The moment main stops spiking, out also stops spiking. Yes, out also stops spiking, but bias doesn't stop spiking because bias already has charge as well as a self loop for so that it can keep maintaining the charge that crosses the threshold. After that, at time step 20, we spike on node. So after we spike on node, what happens is main again gets charged and main keeps on spiking after that. And obviously when main keeps on spiking, out and bias are also going to keep on spiking. And at time 25 we're going to spike both on and off. What that does is nothing, because on and off cancel each other's charges in main, so whatever was happening keeps on happening. Thank you.